This is what I see out of my window every day, probably about this time, and every night. My illustrious Winston Salem State University Red Sea of Sound band looking good, doing them. Get it, y'all. Y'all better get it. Yes, ma'am. Look at the band. And now y'all see it, now y'all don't. I know y'all hear that. Look at them black girls. I was supposed to be part of that band, but I said no. Get it, y'all? I see them walk by. I have the best view. And I'm proud of this view. I love me some HBCU band. I really love me some HBCU band. No matter the college. I love HBCU band. That's my favorite thing about college. Period on them.